So the sun has set, and I just wanted to see if Willow and Rose would eat watermelon. All those marks. Oh no, Rose, I love you. Go eat your watermelon. You're fine. Piper had been eating on it. This is puppy holding time. This is puppy holding time, where we spend this cool of the evening really playing with the puppies. And Rose, you have a long tail. You have beautiful angulation. Man, you got a long tail, Rose. I don't remember your tail being that long. Rose, you have a long tail. Rose, you have a long tail. You have a long tail. Really, I've neglected these girls, but they're fixing to come out. I sound like I'm from Arkansas. They are about to come out of here and get leash trained. It's time. See, they were born May the 2nd, I think. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. Oh, Piper doesn't like Granny. She's huffing at Granny. Do dogs like watermelon? Yes, they do.